Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Handle part #WPW10257120. The Whirlpool Handle part #WPW10257120 is a replacement handle for Whirlpool refrigerators. This handle is designed to fit specific models of Whirlpool refrigerators and is made of durable plastic. It has a white finish and measures approximately 8 inches in length. The handle has 2 mounting holes and comes with 2 screws for installation. This handle is easy to install and will help restore the look of your refrigerator. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement handle for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is used to replace a broken or damaged handle and can help to restore the refrigerator's ability to open and close properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by turning off the water supply to the faucet. 2. Remove the existing handle by unscrewing the screw located on the underside of the handle. 3. Place the new handle onto the faucet and align it with the existing holes in the faucet body. 4. Securely tighten the screw on the underside of the handle to secure it in place. 5. Turn on the water supply and test out your new Whirlpool handle. Part #WPW10257120. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit WPW10257120 to order residential appliance parts.